So this is the dock that I've always had the most trouble with. It's a blind side, plus you have no room over here. Basically, if you do manage to get into this dock right here, you have poles in front of you. All right, and I can't remember if it was this dock or this dock. It's actually been quite a long time since I've delivered here, but it's like Horizon Air. I don't even know if it's still Horizon Air or not, but yeah. So this was the dock. Had to deliver water there, and a lot of time I would end up just not at an angle, cockeyed. As long as the trailer got to the dock, it was great. I was happy, but not the busiest street in the world. This is the busy street. This is just a side street, and you basically would just pull a U-turn and back in this way, and get out and look a ton of times. But anyway, so that is that dock. So I'm gonna do this back twice. The first time with no blind spots turned on, and the second time when I'm gonna have the blind spots turned on. All right, so let's get our rear end pointing at least towards the entrance. All right, missing everything. And I'm gonna go hard right around now and hard left. Straightens me up in the shortest distance. All right, let's get those steers somewhat straight. All right, now where should I be pointing towards? All right, okay, let's go ahead and stop for a second so we can get our bearings. All right, I'd want to be, I don't know, I think let's go ahead and get my trailer pointing a little bit more towards the dock, just a little bit. All right, I think roughly around there. So I'm just going to do a straight back for now. Now you got to decide, when are you actually going to start jackknifing? Let me zoom in more. Okay, now depth perception, like obviously it's a lot easier doing from up here. And of course, normally you're going to be sitting in the cab, so it's kind of difficult to actually see what is going on. All right, so obviously I'm making this look easy. This one always took me forever to do. The amount of pull-ups was ridiculous. The only time I never had any difficulty is when I had my student sitting in the cab and he was driving, and I would just tell him exactly what to do, and he wouldn't get to make any choices whatsoever. But anyway, I'm gonna say straight back for a little longer, and a little longer, and let's go ahead and try that. All right, let's go ahead and start jackknifing. Obviously, everything is lost at this stage, so a good idea to get out and look. Let's keep her going. I'm going to go ahead and start turning now just because the angle. I'm already happy that the trailer is angled, or the truck and trailer is angled. So let's go ahead and start chasing it. All right, and it's looking good. It's looking good. I think that they basically could get into that. Like I've been at an angle and they still managed to get the dock in because it was so irritating. But let's go ahead and just try to get it straight. All right. Yeah, you do not have a lot of room. Yeah, so I think they were happy with that. Now let's go ahead and give it a try with the blind spots turned on. All right, same thing again. Let's go all the way over here. Get our rear end pointing towards the entrance. All right, we already know what it looks like. We're going to try to do the same method. Yeah, if only we could actually back up our trucks from a top view. All right, so I'm going to straighten up now and see what it looks like. Okay, again, finishing off in a straight back allows you to see the most. All right, so let's go ahead and start backing up. All right. Oopsie daisy. Of course, when you back up fast, smaller movements. All right, let's see where, now, can I even see? Yeah, so I can see my space. All right. I'm going to go ahead and just keep backing up straight because I know I'm not going to hit anything. I don't have to get out and look just yet. All right, so straight back is your best friend right now. And I'm going to go ahead and start turning now, but not too hard, I believe. Of course, anyway. So let's see what happens. Let's go ahead and now, of course, we pretty much have lost everything. So yeah, this is where we get out and look. Okay, I need to start chasing. I think I jackknifed too soon. So let's get back in the truck. So let's start chasing. And maybe that. Okay, let's take a look. I think I'm getting away with it. I think. I'm gonna keep chasing and then I'm gonna jackknife. Because remember, I don't have to actually be straight. My truck can be at an angle once, as long as the trailer gets in there and the dock bay can go in. Their guys are happy. All right, that's so. What did I say I was going to do? I can just yeah, I'm going to start chasing it and then jackknife. Okay. Then jackknife, and then stop, just to see what's going on. Okay, looking good, looking good. I'm going to go ahead and start chasing it, actually. All right. Again, I have to get out and look because I don't want to. I want to make sure I don't break the dock plate or anything. Right. It looks like it might be fine. Okay, let's chase it, and I should hit the dock in like a foot. Yeah. Okay. If I keep going, because I'm already parallel right here. If I keep going the way I am, I will be. The trailer will go off to the left. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a little bit of a pull forward to counteract that, and then I'll be able to back up until I hit the dock. Because now I can actually see what's going on a little bit, even if I could probably get away with even straightening up completely. Yeah, there we go. All right, well, we don't need to. But anyway, I'm at the dock, and that's that. All right, very good.